4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ പുതിയ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിലെ ഇന്ത്യ ഈസ് മൈ കൺട്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന 2ാമത്തെ ചാപ്റ്ററാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. യു ഹാവ് റീഡ് ദ പിക്ചർ സ്റ്റോറി ബുക്ക്, നൗ ആൻസർ മൈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സർ കണ്ടിന്യൂഡ്. അല്ലേ, നമ്മളെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് പേജ് നമ്പർ 28 ആ ഒരു പിക്ചർ സ്റ്റോറി എല്ലാവരും വായിക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൽ വിനയൻ സർ പറയുകയാണ്, യു ക്യാൻ ആൾസോ ഫൈൻഡ് ആൻസർ ടു സേഴ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. നിങ്ങളോടും വിനയൻ സർ ചോദിക്കുന്ന ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉത്തരം പറയാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. എന്താ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്? വൈ ഡിഡ് ഫോറിനേഴ്സ് കമ്മിങ് ടു ഇന്ത്യ? എന്തിനാണ് ഫോറിനേഴ്സ് ഇന്ത്യയിലേക്ക് വന്നത്? ഫോറിനേഴ്സ് ഫസ്റ്റ് കെയിം ടു ഇന്ത്യ ബൈ ഷിപ്പ് to buy spices like cardamom and black pepper and textiles like silk and cotton. Next question, how the foreigners could easily establish power in India? They obtained special privileges from the king and established factories here, since the rules of different provinces in India considered each other as enemies and were often at war. It was easy for the foreigners to expand their power. Then third question, why were Indians unable to hold their own in the struggles with the British? They conquered the natives with advanced war tactics and weapons like cannons and guns. Eventually, the British took over the princely states after exerting control over agriculture, trade, and the king. Over time, the British dominated the entire region of India. India was under their control for almost the next 200 years. Next question. The people of our country suffered a lot under British rule. How did they react against British rule? The people who were suffering started protest against the British in various places. They protested by breaking the laws, declaring non-cooperation and organizing marches. Such protests as known as the freedom struggle. Write a short note on Satyagraha. The British rulers declared that Indians must pay a tax, a special levy for extracting salt. Those who made salt without paying the tax were imprisoned. Gandhiji organized the people against this. Gandhiji started a march on 12 March 1934, his Sabarmati Ashrayam to Dandi beach. The march reached Dandi on April 5. Taking a handful of salt from the sea, Gandhiji searched, even if these hands holding salt are crushed, they will not give up the salt. The date of March Gandhiji started the Dandi March 1930, March 12. The date of which Gandhi violated the salt law at Dandi beach, 1930, April 6. Quit India movement. The Quit India movement was a remarkable mass movement against the British government. The movement was launched in the All India Congress Committee session held by Bombay on 8 August 1942. The session demanded the British to hand over all administrative powers to the Indians and to quit India. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Dr. Rajendra Prasad were the main leaders. Gandhiji called on everyone to do or die. Thousands of people participated in this movement and its slogan resonated across India. This gave great excitement to the people. Do or die, who said it? Gandhiji. When did the Quit India movement begin in Kerala? On 9th August 1942. Which day is celebrated as Quit India Day? 9th August. Who led the Salt Satyagraha in Kerala? K. Kelappan. Which were the major centers of the Salt Satyagraha in Kerala? The major centers of the Salt Satyagraha in Kerala were Kozhikode and Payyanur in Kannur. Who led the Salt Satyagraha in Payyanur? The breaking of the Salt law was organized in Payyanur under the leadership of K. Kelappan. Who were the prominent leaders of the Salt Satyagraha campaign in Kerala? The prominent leaders of the Salt Satyagraha campaign in Kerala were K. Kelappan, K. Madhavan Nair, T. K. Madhavan, K. P. Keshavan Menon, Muhammad Abdur Rahman, A. K. Gopalan, Agamanna Cherian, and Kuttimalu Amma. Write down the major freedom struggles that took place in Kerala. Malabar Rebellion, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement, Attingal Rebellion, Parashi Rebellion. Who was the leader who inspired freedom fighters all over India? Mahatma Gandhi. What is the real name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What are the important movements led by Mahatma Gandhi? Champaran movement 1970, Kheda Satyagraha 1980, Non-Cooperation movement 1920, Salt Satyagraha 1930, Quit India movement 1942. Prepare a short note on Gandhiji. Gandhiji was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji's father was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother was Putlebai. He left his job as a lawyer in South Africa and returned to India to join the freedom struggle. Thought his simple way of living, high thinking, and warm interaction, he rose to become a leader of India. Truth and nonviolence were always evident in his words and actions. Children affectionately called him Bapuji. He adopted a method of nonviolence resistance known as Satyagraha. He led important movements like the Champaran movement 1970, the Non-Cooperation movement 1920, the Salt Satyagraha 1930, the Quit India movement 1942, etc. The story of my experience with the truth is the autobiography of Gandhiji, who was known as Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as Chachaji Jawaharlal Nehru. Prepare a short notes on Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14, 1889. His father, Motilal Nehru, and mother, Swarapu Rani. He worked with Gandhiji at the forefront of the freedom struggle. He took over the leadership of independent India on 15 August 1947 and became the first Prime Minister of India. He was the one who declared the independence of India. Children fondly called him Chachaji. His birthday is commemorated as Children's Day. An autobiography is the autobiography of Nehru. When is Nehru's birthday? In what name do we celebrate this day? Number 14, Children's Day. What is the name of Nehru's autobiography? An autobiography. Here is freedom fighters photos. Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhai Patel, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Sarojini Naidu, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Aruna Asaf Ali, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a famous poet and freedom fighter. She was called the Nightingale of India because of her beautiful poem. She worked hard to make in India free from British rule. In 1924, she became the first Indian woman to lead the Indian National Congress. After India became free, she became the first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh. She loved her country and inspired many people with her words and actions. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a young hero who loved India very much. He tried to organize young people and students against British rule. He was very brave and stood up for what was right. He was only 23 years old when he gave his life for the country. Bhagat Singh's courage inspired many young Indians. Next, Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna Asaf Ali was a freedom fighter who loved India. She helped lead the Quiet India movement in 1942. She is famous for hoisting the Indian flag at the Gwalior Tank Maiden in Bombay during the Quiet India struggle. People called her the Grand Old Lady of the Independence Movement. After India became free, she became the first mayor of Delhi. She was awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, posthumously. Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Sardar Patel was a great leader who helped India become one country. He took part in non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement. He worked hard to bring many small states together after independence. People call him the Iron Man of India because he was strong and brave. He was the first deputy prime minister and home minister of India. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. People loudly called him Netaji. He wanted India to be free from British rule. He said, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He made an army called the Azad Hind Fauj of Fight for India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilak was a great freedom fighter who loved India. He said, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." People called him Lokmanya Tilak. He started festivals like Ganesh Chautri to Shivaji Ulsav to bring people together. He was also a leader of the Home Rule movement. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a great freedom fighter and social reformer. He believed in peaceful ways to make India free from British rule. He started the Servants of India Society to help people. He was a teacher and loved to spread education. He was a mentor to Mahatma Gandhi, helping him learn about India. People remember him for his kindness, wisdom, and love for the country. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was a freedom fighter who loved peace. People called him the Front, Frontier Gandhi. Frontier Gandhi, because he believed in non-violence just like a Mahatma Gandhi. He started a group called Khudai Khidmatgar, which means servants of God. He wanted everyone to live together in harmony no matter their religion. He worked hard to help the Pashtun pupil, Pashtun pupil and teach them about peace. അല്ലേ പഷ്തൻ PASHTUN നിങ്ങൾ എന്താണ് അത് പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതൊന്ന് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണേ. He was given India's highest award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1987. Then identify and write the names of the leaders related to the fact given below. Sarojini Naidu, the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress, known as the Nightingale of India. Then Bhagat Singh. He took up arms and fought bravely against the British. He was hanged at the age of 23. Aruna Asaf Ali. She is known as Queen of the Quiet India movement. She is the grand old lady of the Indian independence movement. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He played a major role in the formation of the Indian Union by uniting the princely states known as the Iron Man of India. Subhash Chandra Bose. He formed the Indian National Army and fought against the British known as Netaji. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it known as Lokmanya. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the guru who guided Gandhiji into politics, founders of an organization called Servants of India Society. Gan Abdul Ghaffar Khan followed Gandhiji's ideals known as Frontiers Gandhiji, who was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress, Sarojini Naidu, who is known as the Nightingale in India, Sarojini Naidu, who took up arms against British colonial rule, fought bravely for India's independence and was executed at the age of 23. Bhagat Singh, who was the queen of the Quiet India movement. Aruna Asaf Ali, who is called the Grand Old Lady of India. Aruna Asaf Ali, who is the Iron Man in India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Why is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel called the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a major role in the formation of the Indian Union by uniting the princely states. Hence, he is known as the Iron Man of India. Gandhiji described Subhash Chandra Bose as Dash Netaji, who formed the Indian National Army in 1943. Subhash Chandra Bose, who said, Swaraj is my birthright and shall have it. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, whose nickname was Lokmanya. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who is the guru of Gandhiji. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, which organization was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Servants of India Society, who was popularly known as Frontier Gandhi. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who led the civil disobedience movement in the northwestern region. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Here is ending of this video because of lengthy of going on. We want to discuss inshallah another video I will make. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും കമൻറ്റും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കാണാം. ഈ ഒരു പാഠഭാഗത്തിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ഭാഗവുമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്താവുന്നതാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും കമൻറ്റും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. കമൻറ്റ് ബിലോ കേട്ടോ.